The Vivo X400 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse, starting with its stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display that delivers ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, it runs on the new Snapdragon Elite Gen 6 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of internal storage, making it one of the most performance-focused smartphones ever imagined. Battery life is another major highlight, featuring a huge 9,000 mAh capacity supported by blazing fast 120W charging. On the camera side, the Vivo X400 Ultra takes things to the extreme with an impressive 400MP main sensor designed for next-level detail and clarity. Overall, it's a futuristic flagship built for users who want maximum power in every category.